just went and got breakfast. I got a ham and cheese egg sandwich from Egg Club. Well, they only have sandwiches there. I don't know when I'm not gonna eat this though. Should I take it out? I'm dropping my cheese. I'm so tired today. This is really good.
Think it's gonna rain?
So we're trying some Jollibee. We got chicken. That's the gravy. Deluxe chicken sandwich. And where did my pie go? My pie is over there. Yes, our place is messy. Super duper messy, and we have to clean up tonight because we're leaving tomorrow.
Strawberry samba. Ah, bitches. That's pretty good, right? Fucking Cardi B would have loved me.
Right now, I'm trying to finish all the leftovers that we have. And oh my goodness, so we went to watch a movie.
Wine beverage.
Yeah. We went to. Could you hold the camera? So yesterday we went to watch a movie, and it's so expensive. Well, the tickets weren't that expensive. The food that was expensive. We got a small bag of popcorn, and that cost.
Yeah, that ended up costing like 50 something. Like 46, I think.
And then I got nachos, and we got 2 drinks.
I got a hot dog too.
Of water.
I got a hot dog.
Oh yeah, not hot dog.
Yeah. I told the lady that was wearing that, I was like, that's quite expensive. She's like, I know. Yeah, it's fucking expensive. You're getting a small bag of popcorn, you know, a small bag of popcorn, 2 alcoholic drinks.
I think you should have gotten a kid size. But technically a kid
A
size.
small size. I thought that would have been a kid size.
Technically a kid size is the same as small.
That's what I meant. You know what I mean? Like it's a small size. And the small ended up being like a medium bag, just a small amount of popcorn.
I think that's a large bag. You put it in a freaking large bag.
Huge. I like that girls' night out drink. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's actually really good. It's not too sweet, you know.
It's strawberry and watermelon. Look, they got more alcohol choices here.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of flavored and different stuff. Like I noticed like the beer area as well, like beer crafts. Like they have a lot of flavored beer like from all over the place, you know? Yeah.
Grab my thing too.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Oh my god.
There's a whole couch in the room, man. There's a TV.
Just look out the window.
TV, fridge. Wow, mama! 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 Wow!
That's the Canadian Falls.
Wow!
My goodness me.
Wow!
That's very nice of you, Carmen. Well done, girl.
Damn! Look at the waterfall all around. Look at that! It's so cool!
And then it comes to like here.
Oh, I want to go on that boat.
You gotta walk all the way over there. Bye-bye, Niagara Falls. Off to the next place. It's a little bit cloudy today.
Did you laugh? I'm like, you're not nice. What if I just shot it?
Ew. That'd be really gross.
That wasn't good enough, was it? Sorry about that. I'm hot and I'm sweating. After 2 jumps. Steal your bike. Don't leave it on me.
This is the lookout.
You made a mistake.
We are doing the grand staircase, but we're going down, not up. And I need to go slow because this is tripping me up. I'm like trying to look that way and then I have to look down for the stairs. I have to hold the thing on this side. And it's 400 steps. I need my truck.
Oh, I'll turn right back around.
Cappuccino, it's a hot cappuccino.
What cappuccino?
So hot. And we didn't bring proper clothing.
Let that go again. It's cool, eh? anniversaire donc.
Ouais, bonne fête.
Merci.
Bonne enfant pour l'année passée.
There you go.
Are you on vacation?
Yeah, we're on vacation, yeah.
Yeah,
We're in Vancouver.
Vancouver? Oh, a bit far away.
A little bit.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Hopefully the wind does not blow it away.
I told him it was my birthday.
Herbie. It's Herbie.
I told the guy it was my birthday. I'm serious.
I know, I heard. I could, you know, I could kind of listen, right?
One sec. Cheers. Cheerios. Oh, I forgot. you were doing the same, you were like...
Look at your burger. It's huge. Look at that giant burger. How am I going to eat that burger?
With my mouth. Merci.
Est-ce que je vous mets du sel et du citron?
S'il vous plaît. Le petit complet, quoi.
Oula. Good morning, everyone. So we just got back last night from our trip and I am doing laundry right now, and there's so much you could see. And I gave my keys to my mom. I don't know if my mom came to help me water my plants. Maybe it was my brother. And I just want to show you this, the elephant ears. This thing, I had to cut so much of it because it looked like it was about to die. And I transplanted all my little, you know, little plants over. And my cilantro is getting really, really, really big now. I need to brush my hair. Oh, and I really want to switch my purse because I got a new purse before the trip. There it is. So, haven't had breakfast yet. We're gonna go eat some pho for breakfast. Oh, I have to move my tomato plant out of here. And it just feels so good to be back. Like, because we were about 3 days in each city, and I know I didn't film a whole lot just because I just wanted to enjoy it. I feel like because we were going to so many places, 3 days in each city, and it was just a lot going on. So, oh, and look at my snake plant. Look how tall it is now. This one leaf is really, really weird. And this plant is not really growing because this one, there was one there and it fell off. But this one is growing. This one's growing. I think there's a baby one right there growing. And we just have to put away a lot of things, which is not the fun part. But it needs to be done. Okay, we're gonna go eat food later.